Excuse me, I'm going to speak in French because I speak only what is called airport English. Alors, permettez-moi de vous remercier de votre invitation à venir discuter de ce sujet-là, la torture, à un moment d'enthousiasme anxieux, mais d'enthousiasme quand même pour l'avenir de votre pays, avenir qui nous concerne également.
I would like to thank you for this invitation to talk about torture at this moment, which is of tremendous enthusiasm and excitement at a moment which is crucial for your country.
Alors, le pessimisme dans le domaine de la torture semble être l'attitude la moins déraisonnable.
Pessimism when torture is concerned seems to be the less unreasonable position.
Même si souvent, pour les besoins de la cause, je m'efforce publiquement ou je fais semblant d'être optimiste.
Even though, for the sake of the cause, I try in public to be optimistic.
Un confrère écrivain désespérément ironique avait inventé le mot de peptimiste.
One of my colleagues, fellow novelists, had invented a particularly savvy word, which was peptimism.
Être le plus pessimiste possible afin d'être toujours sur ses gardes dans le but non pas d'abandonner le combat mais d'être encore plus vigilant.
To be as pessimistic as possible in order not to stop the fight, but to be as vigilant as possible.
Pour quelqu'un comme votre visiteur, le plus terrible dans la lutte pour la promotion des droits humains, en particulier pour les plus vitaux comme le respect absolu de l'intégrité de la personne humaine,
For someone like your visitor, in order to fight for human rights, and in particular for the rights of the person,
et de découvrir à quel point les convictions des peuples sur ce point-là sont fragiles et susceptibles de se transformer en leur contraire sous la pression d'événements traumatisants, pour peu que les pouvoirs en place sachent comment les utiliser.
it is particularly hard for people. It's particularly crucial to discover how people's conviction on this point are fragile and capable of transforming themselves into their contrary under the pressure of traumatizing events, especially if powers in place know how to use them.
Tout gouvernement, même démocratique, est tenté par l'usage de la force.
Every government, even democratic government, are tempted by the use of force.
Seules des institutions, tant politiques que judiciaires, et une société civile et des médias toujours sur le qui-vive,
Only organizations outside of government and media always wary
peuvent tenter de maîtriser au mieux cette pulsion de violence qui niche au cœur de tout pouvoir et en la police et l'armée en son contrôle.
can try to control this violent impulse.
On voit que cette tâche est toujours d'actualité, même dans les pays à forte tradition de contrôle démocratique.
We see that this task is always contemporary, even in countries where governments are democratic.
Vous êtes bien placé ici pour le savoir.
You must know this here.
Alors, mais dans les pays non démocratiques, comme ceux d'où je viens,
In non-democratic countries like the one where I come from,
la situation est intrinsèquement plus grave encore.
the situation is definitely worse.
Le pouvoir ne s'y définit que comme pouvoir absolu,
Power is always absolute
dans le temps et dans l'espace.
in time as in space.
Et la torture est une des données, est une des manières de montrer que le corps du citoyen appartient au chef.
And torture is one of the means of showing that the citizens belong to the chief.
Alors, il n'y a rien de nouveau dans ce que je dis ici.
Nothing is new in what I say here.
Mais le plus triste pour moi, c'est de découvrir ou de redécouvrir inlassablement
But the saddest thing for me is to discover
Combien ce mépris des droits élémentaires de la personne humaine
how this contempt for the human person
s'accompagne d'une sorte de complicité résignée des populations.
always go with the resigned complicity of the population.
Alors, dans le cas d'un pays comme l'Algérie,
In the case of a country like Algeria,
il peut même y avoir une interprétation désastreuse de ce que j'appellerais le cours de l'histoire.
there can even be a disastrous interpretation of history.
Un certain nombre d'Algériens
A certain number of Algerians
pensent que la tragédie abominable qu'a connue le pays,
think that the terrible tragedy that the country has gone through,
avec plus de 200 000 morts,
with more than 200 dead,
est due au fond à l'introduction de l'exigence des droits de l'homme.
is because of the introduction of human rights.
Alors, in fact, I'm from a Mediterranean origin. It means that I would want to speak with my mouth, but also with my arms, with my body. And in fact, I will skip all the theoretical development. I want to tell you that I took part to the collection of testimonies. I saw people who were tortured. And the stranger thing when you see someone who was tortured is that you discover that he is like you. It means that you must be naive when we speak about torture. You must be inébranlable et naïf à la fois.
You must be unshakable.
In fact, we must agree on some very simple vérité, truth. Yes, the torture is the absolute evil. I was waiting for the translation. And yes, there is no justification to the use of torture. I'm a mathematician, but I tell you that you do not need justification or proof, of complicated proof to be convinced. It is sufficient only to imagine that is you who are tortured, or worse, that it is the person who loves the more, which is tortured. Your son, your daughter, your wife, your husband, or your father, or your mother. I'm always astonished by the amount of intelligence, of gifts, which is gathered by all the governments to demonstrate that we can use in certain conditions the torture. We had to take only the precaution to name it with another word, mistreatment or something like that. But and the problem is that sometimes, too often, people, ordinary people, are ready to accept, to abandon certain principles if they get what I call tranquility. In the case of Algeria, with more than 200,000 deaths, now when you speak about the respect of human rights, sometimes you are considered as a provocator. That, you know, it's people think that sometimes when you are tortured, it is because perhaps you have deserved it. As, for example, for the woman who is raped, sometimes you hear people who say that she perhaps deserved it or perhaps she provoked it. And I try to be optimistic, but it is sometimes difficult to stay optimistic. But you have the choice between honor and dishonor. You have not, you do not need to proofs. You have the choice, the dishonor or the honor. If you want to choose the honor, I speak about you, but I speak about my people, my country. The choice is simple. Excuse me for my very poor English.
Merci bien.